Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the protractor. The protractor looks like a semicircular disc. It is used to measure the size of angles. The range is from 0 to 180 degrees. So here we have 0 and it goes around to 180, and here we have 0 and it goes this way to 180. So it's basically a semicircle, so you can measure angles that are drawn either way. We'll see that in a moment. So the unit we use is called the degree, and the symbol is a small 0 above the number and to the right. So here we have two examples, 35 degrees and 90 degrees. And the little degree symbol is a small 0 there. So it's raised up there and it's to the right. 35 degrees, 90 degrees. That's a short way of writing it. Now here's the diagram which shows what a protractor looks like. As we can see, the protractor is designed to measure angles in a clockwise or anti-clockwise position. So you can measure angles that way, or you can measure them this way. And let's have a look at what that means on the next slide. How to use a protractor. So here, if you note that this angle is drawn this way, so look at the two red lines, and here is the angle here. There it is there, see? So what you do, you place your protractor there, right in that position there where the vertex is. So this tiny protractor here, where that line meets the horizontal line, that's where you place the vertex. And then for this particular angle, because it's drawn with that orientation, you start from 0 and you go this way. And you will notice the line is very close to 50, so we'll make it 50 degrees. So the above angle measures 50 degrees. Here we have drawn it a different way. We've drawn it that way. In other words, to measure that type of angle, you still put the vertex on the intersection of those two lines there. So right there, as I said before, this line goes right along beautifully there. And then what you do, you just read around that way. So in other words, you start from the 0 and you go around this direction here, and you will see that this particular angle measures 70 degrees. So you can see how you can measure angles that go either that way or this way. So that's quite straightforward. The protractor is very well done, like it's very well created, and that's why we can do that. So this video has introduced us to the protractor, and we've seen how we can measure angles in a clockwise or anti-clockwise position.